Hey everyone, Mr. Raygo here with Peak Performance Training Center, and we got another weapons tip of the day. And today, once again, we're talking about the staff weapon. Now, we've covered single hand figure eights, very common, very fun thing to do. Now we're going to talk about double hand figure eights. Double hand figure eights have given people a little more trouble, just because there's a lot going on. Now, just like with single hand figure eights, the staff is going to make pretty much the same motions, going side to side. And now we're going to do two hands. Now, once again, you can put your staff down, use your hands only at first. Leave one hand out, pull the other hand in toward your armpit or toward your shoulder, underneath. From here, you're just going to take this hand, just like with single hand, scoop down, all the way down across the body. Now, you're not going to go down, up. Not yet. Instead, you're just going to go down across about hip level. This hand stays about where it is. After you do this, you'll uncross your hands, and then recross with the other hand on top. And then you do the same thing other way. Go down toward the hip, other hand staying where it is. Uncross, recross, down across. Uncross, recross, down across. A lot of crossing. In this motion here. Once you get that down, go and pick up your staff and do the same thing. Tuck one hand in toward the armpit area, holding the staff straight ahead. Go down across toward the hip, uncross, recross. Down across to the hip. Uncross, recross, down across. It's important this hand doesn't move. If this hand moves, then something way different. Down across, uncross, recross. And you just keep on going. Another important thing to know that you don't go like this. You want to make sure to get the staff across after you get a position. You don't want to start cross. You want to start same side, then cross. You just keep on going. Hope this helped. Hope you enjoyed, and keep on practicing.